Said I'm living my best life. Said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned on my L's and
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Yaya's Corner, and in today's video I'm going to be doing another back to school clothing try on haul for you guys. I've been shopping recently. You guys know I'm always shopping, so I had to show you guys what I picked up recently. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware when I post a new video, and let's just get straight into this. I'm not going in any type of order. You guys know the drill. I never go in any type of order. So first, I'm actually going to start with the shoes. I got a new pair of Vans. I've been obsessed with Vans lately. This reminds me of my obsession with Converse back when I was in middle school, but now it's with Vans. So my boyfriend did get me this pair for my birthday, and these are so bomb to me. So they just look like this. It's the classic slip-ons, but they have this like checkered with the blood dripping down it. And I do have the original pair of checkered Vans, but when I saw these, I was like, these are fire. So I had to get these. They're slip-on, and if you guys are wondering, I do wear 6.5 in Vans. These are so bomb on. I love when boys wear these too. They look cute on boys and they look cute on girls, and so I'm like, this shoe is a win-win for both. So yeah, I really love this pair. Then next, we're gonna jump into some stuff I got from Forever 21. I thought my tag popped off. Okay, so I got this cute denim jacket from Forever 21. Super cute. I really like the quality of this jacket. It's stretchy, but also like has a heaviness to it, so it can keep you warm in the winter time. And I like how it bunches up at the sleeves, and just the gold detailing of it. Like even on the zipper, it has this gold detailing, and it does have the hood on the back of it. So I'm obsessed with this jacket. Really cute. It was a size small, and it was 40 bucks, so really cute. And the Vans, I actually think they were about $50. So next, I did have some thrift finds. You guys know I'm always thrifting. Well, actually, I'm gonna go back to the stuff I got from Forever 21. So actually, I did find some more stuff from Forever 21. I got more biker shorts, and you guys know I'm obsessed with biker shorts. So I got this really cute burgundy color, and these were in a size small. And you guys know, like every time in my videos I was complaining that they were always sold out of my size I wear in these. So finally they had a small, and these were $3.90, and I just think they're perfect for like the fall time, like just fall type colors. And I feel like this would be really cute if you wore like a cropped crew neck with it, or just even a regular crew neck. So I'm really excited that they had these. They look so good on. And then I also got them in an olive pair, really cute for the fall as well. And I already wore these. I actually wore these on my birthday. My birthday was August 21st. So I wore these. These were actually really cute as well. So next, we're going to get into my little thrift finds. So I did find these really cool graphic tees that have like sayings on them. So this is actually from a brand called Private Party. And when I Googled it in the store, these shirts retail for $50, so I was actually shocked at how expensive they are, but they are really good quality. They're super soft, and this one just says, out in Malibu at Nobu. I just thought that was really cute. I've never been to Nobu, but I would love to go one day. I know it's like a super expensive restaurant in Malibu. So super soft quality, and I did get this in a size small. The only annoying thing about graphic tees, people do love to read your graphic tees for some reason. They read it out loud like you don't know what your shirt says. And it's like, I'm aware of what it says. You don't gotta read it to me. Like, I was at training for work, and one of the teachers was like, oh, out in Malibu at Nobu. Ooh, that's fancy. And I'm just like, please don't draw attention to me, because then people start staring at your shirt and they're like, yeah, oh, out in Malibu. Like, please stop. So then this next one just says champagne problems. And I thought it was really cute, you know, wear with biker shorts or whatever. This was in a size small, and it's from that same brand, Private Party, and I did get it for only $2 at the Goodwill. I think these were actually brand new shirts, because they had a ton of them on the rack. It's like somebody just donated a ton of the same brand shirts. Story behind this shirt, I was out in public with this on, and some guy was trying to hit on me, and he was like, oh, you got champagne problems. And I'm just like, okay, obviously I can't wear this shirt no more. So yeah, but it is a really cute shirt. And the funny thing about this is I didn't even like champagne yet. I hadn't even tried champagne, and then like a week or two after getting this shirt, I finally tried champagne, and now it's like my favorite drink. So champagne problems. Okay, and then as well, I did find this hoodie from the Goodwill. It's by Ambiance Apparel, and it's just like this super soft hoodie, and it just have like a pocket in the front. This was actually in a large, so it is a little bit oversized. And the funny thing about this is I found the bottoms to this set a few months ago at the Goodwill, so now I have the whole matching set for this. And it's super comfortable, and you can actually find this set on Fashion Nova's website. I've seen it on there before. So yeah, I just love this for the winter time. It actually keeps me warm, and it's super soft even though it feels lightweight. So I really like this set. It's really, really cute on. And then next, I did get this shirt from this store called Fashion Trend. This reminds me of the Pretty Little Thing shirts that I usually see online, and I had wanted one of these from Pretty Little Thing, but I didn't want to order because the sizes were like really confusing me. So I was lucky to find it at this store that I go to, and I actually got this in a medium, and it's from the brand Better Be, and it was $10. And it has like this rib detailing to it that I really like, and it's just cropped, super cute. I did wear it on my birthday with the olive biker shorts that I showed you guys, so I just wore it as a whole little outfit, and it was really cute on. So yeah. And then lastly, I did pick up some new jeans because I did want some new jeans to wear during the fall time. So first, this was found at the thrift store, and it is a pair of Topshop jeans. So I was really excited about these. They're mid-rise, but they are also skinny jeans. And you guys know Topshop jeans are usually around like 60 bucks, and I was able to get them for $7.99, so I was really happy. And it is the Topshop Moto Jamie jeans, and the waist length for this is 30 inches. But honestly, Topshop's jeans run so small, so it's able to fit, but it is a little big on me, but they were able to fit. I think I'm usually like a 28 in Topshop jeans from what I've tried on. So yeah, but this is actually my first pair of Topshop jeans, and they're still in really good shape. And I like the bottom of them. It's kind of like this distressing going on, but I actually want to wear them cuffed like this so that you can't see the distressing, and then wear them with sneakers. And then I also might add like some little slits in the jeans, just like do a do-it-yourself type look with these. I think would be really cute. So yeah, I was able to get these, and I'm really excited about that. And then next, I did get some jeans from Fashion Nova, of course. That's my favorite website to order jeans if I'm getting jeans. So I got a new pair of high-waisted jeans, and these are kind of like in a medium wash, but they look really good on. These are actually from the brand Bob, and I had never heard of this brand before, but they sell it on Fashion Nova's website. Usually when I get Fashion Nova jeans, they're either from the brand Vibrant, or I think it's pronounced Aphrodite, but I never had the Bob jeans. But they actually fit me really good and snug and have a bit of stretch, kind of like how the other Vibrant jeans fit. So I did order these in a size 7, but they are running in a 7/8 when I saw them, but they still fit me perfectly. So I actually really like these, and I was able to catch these on sale when I was shopping on Fashion Nova. So these jeans were about 14 bucks, so really affordable, and they were originally like $20. So for, Fashion Nova actually does have like affordable section for you to shop online. And then lastly, I picked up these other pair of Fashion Nova jeans. These are my favorite. These are like the 3rd time I've ordered these, and funny story, the first time I ordered these, I ordered them in a size 5 years ago. Then I ordered them in a size 3 when I used to be a 3, and now I had to order them in a 7. You guys see how much my weight fluctuates? Like, it's crazy. So your girl's a size 7 now in jeans. So these are my favorite. They're super high-rise skinny jeans. Yeah, super high-waist denim jeans that are in the dark denim. And they're originally $30. I think with the discount and everything, they were like $21. So they're really cute. They fit super high waist. They make your butt look good. They come down skinny. They're like the perfect high-waisted jeans. So they're my favorite. And yeah, I was able to get a pair of those. So that is pretty much everything that I got, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye, guys.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding?